This is the Victor TT81 quartz lock direct drive turntable made by Victor. This one with a custom round wood Tonearm made by Denon, the DA307 and the Ortofon 2M red. Great set. Press power, you press start, speed is in 33. I'm going to put it here in the beginning. Okay, it's a great sound turntable, great set. Pitch lock control, you can set it here. Speed stable as a rock. Great sound. .33 or 45 selector, start and stop, and power. Simple. Sounds great. Beautiful. And that's it. Thank you.